Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 36. In the 1st century AD, Ban Chao, a legendary Chinese commander, embarked on an epic 31-year journey across Central Asia. Appointed as a military envoy, he transformed from a minor officer into a formidable force, extending the Han dynasty's influence. His conquests and diplomacy along the Silk Road, including the notable siege of Kashgar, established Chinese dominance and secured crucial trade routes. Ban Chao's legacy lies not just in his military feats, but in fostering East-West cultural and economic exchanges. His story symbolizes the adventurous spirit and strategic ingenuity of ancient China, leaving an indelible mark on history.